If you're choosing a SharePoint training provider in the UK, don't just ask, can you teach SharePoint? Ask, can you teach the version of SharePoint that our people actually use in a way that our organisation actually works? Because yeah, generic SharePoint will explain the buttons. That doesn't mean it's going to help you manage and organise documents properly, collaborate confidently, or stop you from making mistakes that IT end up having to fix later. I'm Aidan from Keys Training, and in this video I'm going to walk you through a checklist for when choosing a SharePoint training provider in the UK, especially for a corporate or public sector organisation. Step 1, clarify the scope. SharePoint can mean many different things. For some people, they just need everyday user training. For example, an international travelling company that we provided training for. They said they wanted to specify and focus their training on document libraries, permissions, metadata, intranet pages, lists, and site ownership. So, ask, who is the training for? End users? Is it for site owners, content editors, or administrators? Why ask? Because they are not the same course. Step 2 is make sure it covers SharePoint Online within Microsoft 365. For most organizations, SharePoint now sits alongside Teams, OneDrive, document libraries, permissions, version history, and co-authoring. Microsoft's own materials position SharePoint as part of the Microsoft 365 collaboration environment. So, your training should reflect how to use it in your actual work. A great training provider should be able to explain when to use SharePoint, Teams, or OneDrive, because that's when most people get confused. Step 3 is choosing the right format. On-site training can work really well for hands-on support and group discussion. Live online training can work really well for hybrid or multi-site teams. But the real question you want to be asking is, which of these formats is going to best help your team practice and apply SharePoint to their day-to-day work? Step 4 is check whether the course can be tailored. A great training provider should be asking you questions before the training takes place. What's the common setup like? Are there any common pain points? Are there any management document issues, user levels, permissions? And what should the people doing the training do after the training is finished? If they're not asking you these questions, the course is just generic. Finally, step 5 is check the trainer's experience. You want an expert who's reliable and can answer any questions you or the team might have. Where should the files be stored? Who should have permission to the files? How do we prevent duplicate documents? What should the staff be doing once the training is finished? The best SharePoint training provider isn't just going to give you a tour around the platform. Here at Keys Training, we provide tailored training to best fit you, giving you and the team the confidence and ability to use SharePoint in your day-to-day work. If this is something worth exploring, please get in touch and we'll help you get started.